Hello and welcome to the first video of Calc Nerd. Today I am going to show you how to make and edit a program. So to start off, we're going to go to the PRGM button or program. This is where you would edit programs. So I clicked that, and as soon as you go there, this is where you execute programs, This is where you edit programs, and to create a new program, you go here and click enter, and then it'll ask you to input a name. You can name your program and then click enter again, and it'll take you to the first line of programming. I already have one made with nothing on it. So this is what it'll look like after you input the name. It should just be a blank screen except for a program and then the name of your program. I just named this ABC because I felt like it. So to start off programming, we're going to hit the program button again. This will take you to a tab of control. So there's things like if, then, else, for, while, repeat, end, stuff like that. And you can keep going down also. To go over to the next tab, you click the right arrow key. It'll take you to this screen, which is the I/O screen. This has stuff like get key, output, input, clear home, stuff like that. In this next tab, which all I did was click the right arrow key again, it's basically saying to execute a program. So if you'd want to run a program inside of another program, you can. So I'm going to just click clear to get out of that screen. Actually, I'm going to go back into it. So I'll show you, if you want to get one of these, for example, let's say repeat, you could go down to it by using the down arrow key, then click enter, and it'll go up on the screen. To delete it, you go over, hit delete. And if you just get tired of just scrolling down all the time, there's an easier way. Each one of these has a corresponding number. If is 1, then is 2, else is 3, but in the I/O tab it's different. So if I wanted to get a repeat, 6 is repeat. So all I do, go down to the keypad and hit 6, and then repeat will show up. If there's ever a command you're not sure where to find, it will most likely be in second catalog. So you click that, and it'll take you to a catalog of everything in the entire calculator. For example, if I wanted to find something and I couldn't find it earlier, I could just scroll down to try to find it. Or let's say if it's in the G's and you don't want to scroll down that far, you can just click the button that has G above it, and it'll take you to all the G's, which is kind of strange. Garbage collect is the first thing that comes up. It's interesting. So I X'd out of my program. So to do that, you just click enter again, and then you'll get that on your screen. So that's how, if you're unsure. To store something to a variable, let's say 7, and we want to store it into the variable x. So if we say output x on the screen, it'll show us 7. So you first type the number you'd like to store into the variable. Then you click the STO arrow button, and it'll give you a little arrow on the screen. Then you can click alpha, because that takes you into all the letters. And then you can store whatever letter, let's just do O. So then it'll go to an O. So 7 would store into the O. And to do that little arrow, just remember you hit STO with the little arrow next to it. I'm just going to clear that. If there's an equal sign on the screen, so I'm just going to put a 4 on the screen for now. If there's an equal sign on the screen, and so you try to click enter to do an equal sign, but it just takes you down to a new line. To get the equals sign, what you have to do is use this math button. You do not just click the math button, because that'll take you into probability stuff, but you have to click second math, or the button that has test above it, and then this is where you find equal to, not equal to, and then in logic and, or, and not. So that's how you can do that. And that, I believe, Oh, actually, I will show you one more thing. Like, I'll just type 78889 or that's an 8, oops, 2. So, if you're putting in a number and you accidentally go, oh no, I accidentally forgot a 3 in the middle right here. So you go to the place where you have the thing that you need to insert. You click second and delete, which has the INS above it. Insert, and it'll allow you to put something in there. So I can put as many 3s in the middle as I want. This is very helpful if you have, like, I'm just going to make a few lines of programming here. And you try to get another line in here, but if you click enter, if you click enter, it'll just take you down to the next line. What you do is you do second, delete, which is the insert, and then you click enter, and it'll allow you to make a new line to put your number in, which can be very useful at some times. So, I believe that is all I have. Yeah. And if you want to run the program, you just click program on the execute tab, and you click enter, and it'll tell you done, or if it's a game, which I will have later videos on, games that I have made, it will display the game, and you can play the game. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. I hope you have fun playing the calculator games, and I hope you pick something up and learn. Thank you. Bye.